Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'd like to discuss reference material for when we're using Python Flask. This is going to be a real quick video. It's just one web page that I'd like us to go over, and that's just going to be the Flask quick start page. I will include this page and the link in the video description below. But I thought this would be a very good reference and starting point for all of us who are beginning with Python Flask. You're going to want to come here, at least in the very beginning, to learn how to build a basic Python Flask application. You can reference this while I'm talking in future videos about building Python Flask applications. The first line is going to tell you about how to import Flask, how to reference the file name, the Python file name that you have for Flask. It's going to talk about decorators, and it's going to talk about the functions and how you can use it. This is what I will be using even if I don't reference it. So it's a good thing for you to go ahead and open up and have this application, have this website available for yourself when you're looking at the rest of my Python Flask videos. And also, if you need detailed information about how this application works, right below you'll see a detailed explanation for you right there. And it'll also show you how to run the application and so on. So, like I say, I may not be referring to this website in future videos when talking about Flask, but you will need it. It will be very informational for you. So I suggest you go here and use this when we're talking about Python Flask applications. So that's it. I wanted to go ahead and include that and let you guys know about it and give you this information. The link will be in the description below. Thank you very much. That was all I needed to tell you about that. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.